Good day, Mom Answer. Our topic is an online health and fitness work. Online health and fitness workout sites are designed to maintain physical health and prevent mental illness. Health and physical fitness have a vital role in our life. Every individual should develop physical fitness for a happy and effective living. In order to get physical fitness, one has to involve in physical activity. Yung website po namin is nag-o-offer po siya ng mga workouts and mga advice kung anong dapat kainin o yung mga healthy foods para sa araw-araw at magkaroon po tayo at mapanatili po yung malusog na pangangatawan kasi as you can see, may pandemic po tayong kinakaharap ngayon which is COVID-19. So, kailangan po natin mapanatili yung malusog na pangangatawan para po hindi po tayo mahawa ng virus. And next, a statement of the problem. It is helpful to maintain our body health and physical fit, ability to overcome boredom and mental illness at home, ability to join online workout fitness with instructors, avoid going outside the home. Then, general objectives to guide who wants to have a good health and physical fit, to relieve those bored in their house, to avoid face-to-face interaction and spreading virus, work out inside your home. So, syempre, i-guide po yung mga taong mag-aano po ng website namin. Then, really, matutulungan po yung mga taong naboboring sa bahay nila kasi syempre nasa bahay lang po, bawal po tayong lumabas ngayon. Then, avoid face-to-face interaction which is bawal po talaga magkaroon ng face-to-face interaction kasi mag-spread po tayo ng virus. So, workout, magkakaroon po tayo ng fit na pangangatawan at malusog even though nasa bahay lang po tayo. A limitation of the study. The online health and fitness workout has also limitation considered. Website does not contain all the exercise or workout. Website can be accessed online. Then, conceptual model of the study. Meron pong input, process, and output. Sa input, meron po tayong knowledge and skill status of the online health and fitness workout in terms of performance, information efficiency, service. Sa process, determine of the levels of the health and fitness workout website in terms of appearance, accessibility, availability, relevance, function. And yung output is yung website po namin which is online health and fitness workout. Then, research methodology. Sa research methodology, gumamit po kami ng RAD which is Rapid Application Development. Ito po yung ginamit namin kasi once po na nagkamali po kami sa system, pwede po namin siyang ayusin. Hindi na po namin kailangan ulitin po sa simula. Ito po yung model po. Then, project design. This online health and fitness workout website is intended to use online for researching. Website was designed to following features. One, kailangan po natin pumunta ng Google. Then, i-search po yung online health and fitness workout. Then, once you entered, you can explore our website. Then, ito po yung operation procedure. Turn on the gadget, go to Google, search for online health and fitness workout, click it, wait until you enter the website. Yung testing procedure, test the button, home button, the health button, the health advance button, the read more of health button, the fitness button, the watch more button, the read more of fitness button, evaluation procedure. Dito po meron lang po kaming 30 respondents para po sa aming website. Then, dito na po yung result po ng aming evaluation. Then, project evaluation, gumamit po kami ng 5-point linker skill. Ayan, makikita po yung skill, range, and interpretation. Then, next, meron pong dalawang table dito. Merong sa automated, then manual. Dalawa po, gumamit po kami ng automated and manual para po magkaroon po ng comparison kung saan po yung mas recommended or mas magagamit po for now. Makikita po natin mataas po yung sa automated. Then, the summary of findings. On the basis of the test and evaluation conduct on the performance of the system, the following were the finding of the study. 1. The online health and fitness workout was designed and built according to the plan, design, and specification. Number 2. The website provides an information about the health and fitness workout and its functions. Number 3. The online health and fitness workout composed of 5 components consisting of home, health, fitness, contact us, and COVID-19 tips kung saan ito po yung makikita po ninyo sa website po namin. Then, 4. The system was tested on appearance, accessibility, availability, relevance, and functionality in terms of responses of the program such as playing videos. Then, number 5, the system was evaluated to be strong agree with average mean of 4.60, certifying that the website is acceptable and work at its finest. Conclusion. Based on the evaluation finding gathered by the researchers, the website gained an average of 6 points, 4.6 rather, as a strong agree that is useful for client to use. With the technology, the website will make a difference between the traditional way of working out. Recommendation. Number 1, notify the user for the new features or updates in online health and fitness workout website. Number 2, the prototype can be improved considering the appearance and accessibility. So, yan lang po